Hello friends and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Nelu and I run an embroidery shop from my garage. This past weekend we spent all our time kind of reorganizing and getting things together, moved around for the big move. If you're new, you would have not known, but we are moving. My husband and I are moving to a house not too far from where we're currently at here in Orange County. We're moving to a city called Tustin. If you know, you know. Alrighty guys, so this is just going to be a quick studio vlog. I failed to mention that in the previous clip, but it is just of us packing and reorganizing. This is the shed that I was talking about in the back, that we have a bunch of stuff put in there. We ended up pulling about half the shed out and realized we're gonna have to go through this stuff once we move over to the new house, because there's some things that we want to see if we have room for, and we want to make sure we're not throwing away anything we have. But to be quite honest, some of these bins are not full, so there is some more space that we can fit into them, but I don't think we're going to. I think we'll leave them as is. And then in a few clips you'll see that we went into the garage after that and started reorganizing and packing that up as well. So enjoy this quick studio vlog of us just packing. That's kind of what we're doing currently, just getting everything packed up. As you can see behind me, if you follow along with my other vlogs, None of this was here before, but we are packing up. And look at how empty this is right here. This is all been cleared out. We have a filing cabinet underneath as well, but we've been taking stuff from up here as well. So it is clearing out, and it is clearing out fast. We sold most of the blankets that we listed a week ago, so I'm really excited about that. We're working on an order today, and then we just received some more onesies for one of our other clients. So there's 50 onesies that we're gonna have to press. We ordered that decal yesterday from the DTF printer. And then what else do we have in store? I think these are the last 2 orders that we have. Oh, we have one more for a sports team that we're working on, but that's not due yet. But we're almost finished up with all the orders. Hopefully we're not going to get too many orders, but we did just get an online order a couple of minutes ago for a bag embroidery panel. If you don't know, golf bag panels, we do a lot of those in the shop. That's actually where we started, was with golf bag panels when we started embroidering. Well, y'all, that's all I have for you this week in this really short studio vlog. Stay tuned for next week when I will be doing a rundown of our new candle thread that we received and all the details and running a stitch out for that. So that will be in next week's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, liking the video, and following us on our socials. Everything's linked down below. Thank you for all your support, and I will see you in the next one.